In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photo for one time in WhatsApp. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android, then select any contact like this one. So tap on plus icon and tap on photos and select any of photos like this one. And here is beside the send button, here is one symbol. Tap on one and it's showing the policy, then okay, and tap on send button. So after that, this photo sent to that contact, but this person only open once. So for example, as you can see this photo here, then tap on, and here there is no preview, but if I open it and it's showing warning, then okay, as you can see photo showing here. And if I go back or if I want to take a screenshot, it's not able to screenshot here. So as you can see, there is this app doesn't allow screenshot. So if I go back, and as you can see this photo disappear from WhatsApp. So that way you can send photo for once or one time in WhatsApp. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.